fama, mala fama. Se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto.
Intro by Kezone. Welcome to By Kezone, where we break down the latest and most exciting updates from the auto world. In today's video, we take a closer look at the 2026 Maruti WagonR R, a refreshed take on one of India's most trusted and practical hatchbacks, now updated to meet the needs of modern urban drivers. Design and exterior updates. The 2026 Maruti WagonR R continues with its tall boy silhouette, but adds sharper styling for a more contemporary feel. Expect revised front and rear bumpers, updated grille elements, and new alloy wheel designs that enhance its road presence. Subtle body creases and refreshed color options help the WagonR R look more youthful while still staying true to its practical roots. Interior and comfort. Inside, the WagonR R focuses on space, comfort, and everyday usability. The cabin is expected to feature improved seat cushioning, updated upholstery, and a redesigned dashboard layout. With generous headroom, ample legroom, and flexible boot space, the WagonR R remains an ideal choice for families and city commuters alike. Technology and features. Maruti is likely to equip the 2026 WagonR R with an upgraded touchscreen infotainment system supporting smartphone connectivity, steering-mounted controls, and a digital instrument cluster. Convenience features such as keyless entry, power-adjustable mirrors, and automatic climate control may also be part of the package, making daily drives easier and more enjoyable. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the WagonR R is expected to continue with efficient petrol engine options, possibly refined to meet newer emission norms. Smooth drivability, light steering, and excellent fuel efficiency remain key highlights, making it well-suited for crowded city roads and long daily commutes. Safety updates. Safety is expected to see an improvement in the 2026 model, with features like multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and improved structural strength. These updates aim to provide better confidence and peace of mind for drivers and passengers. Conclusion. The 2026 Maruti WagonR R builds on a proven formula of practicality, efficiency, and affordability, while adding modern design and updated features. It continues to be a smart choice for buyers looking for a reliable, spacious, and budget-friendly hatchback. Stay tuned to By Kezone for more updates, reviews, and comparisons from the automotive world.